Hi, Tony Fennell, Mercedes-Benz Scarborough, Maine. Your Sprinter guy. Want to show you the stock unit NT083768. It's a 22 M2CA7X Mercedes-Benz 2500 Cargo 170 high roof 4x4. And it happens to be graphite gray. And you can see this beautiful color right here, the three-pointed chrome star. It has a front camera, so it'll have the 360-degree parking package camera system. There's a step right here on the bumper to climb up on to work under the hood. And parktronic sensors. Fog lights act as corner lights. This beautiful graphite gray is enhanced with the high gloss black painted wheels. Continental winter tires. And so in the back we have the parktronic sensors. Look at the mill on the hitch. Tows 5,000 pounds with the electrical. And a step right here, Mercedes-Benz step to climb in. There's a camera up above to help with that 360 park package. The doors will detent straight off and wrap around, just about kiss the quarter panels at 270 degrees. So they open up like that and then detent all the way over. There's a nice handle over here at the right side to climb in with the step. Over about 5'10", a lot of height. I'll turn on this little light, LED light strip. So a lot of height, a lot of room. Hardboard sidewall paneling, the wood floor with 60 rings anti-slip. So with wet feet you won't slip and fall down. It's a composite wood floor. So this baby has the detent halfway, so it's a two-stage sliding door. So it'll detent halfway and all the way. A nice handle right here to climb in. The black leatherette. This has a driver's convenience package. So active lane keeping assist. I see the heated seats, power windows, doors, grab handles to climb in. We'll get a look at that screen. So we have the MBUX. You can touch it, talk to it. You can use the mouse on this side. The mouse on this side is for the dashboard over here. It has cruise control, voice control for your phone and so forth. A nice tray up above. You can pair your phone to the display. There's a 12-volt power source up here. Down below there's another power source, a 115-volt socket, some C drives, and overhead storage compartments, package trays, handles, overhead convenience. And we'll get a look under the hood. So the prop rod is right here on this side. The air comes through and across the hood for you. Air about this high into the engine. It's a V6. There's a 12-volt power lead right here for your jumper cables, and the negatives right here. The batteries under the floorboards right about your feet area, the driver's feet area. Windshield washer fluid is what you're going to really open the hood for. That and the DEF fill is right here, 6 gallons. Your brake fluid, power steering, oil filter cover, oil fill cap, antifreeze. Tony Fennell, 978-764-1232. Give me a call.